Have you ever wondered how people are making thousands of dollars with YouTube Shorts without even showing their faces? Well, you're about to learn the secret. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method on how you can start earning money by copying trending videos, repurposing them, and turning them into viral YouTube Shorts. It's easier than you think. You don't even need a computer. But here's an extra trick. You're not limited to just YouTube Shorts. You can take the same content you create for YouTube and repurpose it for TikTok as well. By sharing your videos on both platforms, you're doubling your chances of going viral and growing your audience even faster. What's more, TikTok has something called the TikTok Creator Rewards program, which actually pays you for your viral videos. So not only can you make money on YouTube, but you can also cash in on TikTok with the same content. If you want me to make a video on how to take full advantage of the TikTok Creator Rewards program and start earning from your TikTok videos, leave a comment and smash that like button. Alright, now let's dive into the method people are using to make over $20,000 a month just by copying videos from Chinese apps, adding their own voiceovers or captions, and uploading them. This niche is wide open in the English-speaking world, so if you act now, you can get ahead of the competition. Let's get started. Take a look at this channel. They've uploaded less than 20 videos, all using content repurposed from Chinese platforms, and they already have over 1 million subscribers. The strategy is simple: find viral videos, make a few tweaks, and re-upload them. Let's see how you can do the same. Step 1. Finding and downloading Chinese videos. So, the first thing you'll need is a video that's already performing well. The easiest way to do this? Head over to Chinese apps like Xiao, Douyin, or others. These platforms are filled with tons of viral content, and most people outside of China haven't even seen these videos yet, which gives you a major advantage. If you can't access these apps in your region, just use a VPN. Once you're in, search for videos in categories that are known to go viral, like pets, funny fails, or food challenges. People love these types of videos, and they tend to perform well on all platforms. Now, here's a pro tip. Sort the videos by engagement. You're looking for content with over 100,000 views, lots of likes, and a ton of comments. This gives you a strong signal that the video is a hit. Once you've found a video that fits, copy its link and head over to a free downloader tool. I'll leave the link in the description. Paste the link, and in a few seconds, the video will be saved to your device. Step 2. Repurposing the video. Now comes the fun part, making the video your own. You can't just upload the video as is. We need to make it unique by changing the sound, adding captions, and maybe even tweaking the visuals. Here's how to do it. First, open CapCut or another video editing tool like Wondershare Filmora. Import your video and remove the original sound. This is super important to avoid copyright strikes. Right-click on the video, extract the audio, and delete it. Next, we'll add a catchy background track. CapCut offers royalty-free music, so just pick a track that fits the vibe of your video. For example, upbeat and fun music works well with cute pet videos. Step 3. Adding humor with captions. People love funny captions. This makes your video more engaging and helps it stand out from other similar videos. Don't know what to write? No problem! We'll use ChatGPT to generate some hilarious captions. Here's a trick I use all the time. Describe the video scenes to ChatGPT and ask it to come up with funny, short captions. For example, in a video where a cat is being stroked on the cheeks, I'll ask ChatGPT for a funny caption like, "Current mood, too blessed to be stressed." Boom! You've got a funny, engaging caption in seconds. But what to do if the video has Chinese dubbing and Chinese subtitles? Don't worry, we've got this covered. If the video is entirely in Chinese and you can't understand what's going on, you'll need to translate the script into English. Start by opening the AI transcription tool, Re. Sign into your account and upload the Chinese video you want to recreate. Once the video is uploaded, select the transcript option and choose English as the target language. Hit upload and voila! Your script will be successfully transcribed. Open the transcription to review the translated text. Next, head over to DupDub to generate a voiceover for your video. Choose a voice that matches the character of the video from their extensive library. Once you've selected the right voice, paste your English script into the tool, generate the voiceover.
Aroma spraying grilled fish. Let the little fat orange accidentally got the delicious grilled fish on the ground. Boss said. At present, the little fat orange wrapped the grilled fish and ran.
And download the audio files. Import the video and the new English voice over into your editing software. First, remove the original sound from the video. Next, add your English voiceover and align it with the video. Additionally, you'll need to deal with the Chinese subtitles. If the original video includes Chinese subtitles, you can cover them by adding your own English subtitles. In CapCut or your preferred video editor, use the auto caption feature to create new subtitles in English. Customize the font, size, and color to make sure they stand out against the video's visuals. Finally, integrate any additional elements like sound effects or music to enhance your video. Sites like Pixabay offer free soundtracks and effects that can make your video even more engaging. And there you have it. With these steps, you can take a video in a different language, add your unique touch, and make it accessible to an English-speaking audience. Step 4. Exporting and uploading the video. Once your video is edited and ready, set the export settings to 60 FPS for the highest quality, and make sure the aspect ratio is 9:16, perfect for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Now, hit export, and you've got a fully edited video ready to upload. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, I'll be covering TikTok's Creator Rewards program in an upcoming video, so if you want to learn how to make money on TikTok as well, hit that bell icon. Until next time, keep creating and keep growing.